13 benefits of moringa leaf and how powerful it is to health. Moringa is derived from the Moringa oleifera plant. It has been in existence for thousands of years. It's mostly used in northwest India and also grown in Africa and Asia. Moringa oleifera plant parts like the leaf, the fruit, the sap, the oil, the root, the bark, the seed, the ponds and the flowers of the trees are used for natural medicinal purpose, though it is the leaf extract which appears to offer the greatest protective antioxidant properties. It is commonly known as miracle tree, drum tree, tree of life and horseradish tree. Moringa contains a solid nutrient profile of amino acid, vitamin C, potassium, iron, vitamin A, magnesium, zinc and calcium. It's often consumed in a form of powder, capsule and tea. Its leaves have been used to treat ailments like fever, malaria, high blood pressure and diabetes and properties disease and many others. Here are 13 benefits of moringa leaf you do not know. 1. Help with heart health. Moringa leaves are natural remedy against high cholesterol in your body. With high cholesterol in your body, it causes heart disease, and taking moringa leaf has shown considerable improvement against high cholesterol level. And also with moringa, it helps to control lipid and can prevent formation of plaque in the arteries. So including moringa in your diet helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Any pregnant woman who has gestational diabetes, which means a diabetes that is first detected in pregnant women who do not have diabetes before they were pregnant, should also include moringa to their diet. 2. Rich in antioxidants. A nutritional value found in moringa leaf, which is known as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and phytochemicals help protect cells from the damage incurred by molecules called free radicals. These are produced by the body when exposed to environmental toxins like pesticide and cigarettes, which in turn causes disease like diabetes, heart problem, and asthma. Moringa leaf contain high antioxidants such as quercetin that help in lowering blood pressure, and chlorogenic acid which help to stabilize blood sugar level post-meal. Moringa leaf can boost antioxidant level in the blood. A research has shown that taking 1.5 teaspoons of moringa leaf power regularly for 3 months has shown a significant increase in blood antioxidant level. 3. It fights against inflammation. Inflammation is the physiological response that happens in the body to protect against infection and restore body tissue injury. Moringa leaves are anti-inflammatory in nature due to the presence of the isocyanates. They have niacin that is known to regain in the development of cancer cells. Inflammation is the root cause of many diseases like cancer, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and many autoimmune diseases. When you suffer an injury or infection, the body suffers increased inflammation. Basically, it is a protective mechanism against trauma, but because of a wrong lifestyle and an unhealthy diet, inflammation can increase in the body. Long-term inflammation leads to chronic health disease. Eating moringa leaf helps to reduce inflammation. 4. Protect healthy skin. Moringa leaf contain abundance of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, making them ideal for skincare. Moringa leaf improve the health and appearance of skin and hair. They add suppleness to the skin and shine to the hair. The antioxidant present in moringa leaf reduce the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. They have about 30 antioxidants present. You can also paste a moringa leaf on a scalp hair to reduce dandruff and add light bonds to dull light skin hair. The leaf also strengthens the hair follicles. They also good for acne-prone skin. This is why moringa leaves are part of many cosmetics. They improve the skin tone and add a glowing dull to their purifying nature and peak properties. 5. Good for digestion. Consuming moringa leaf may help with digestive issues. People who suffer from ulcerative colitis, gastritis, bloating, and constipation may include moringa leaves in their diet. It contains soluble fiber as well as insoluble fiber. A study says that both forms of fiber have many health benefits, especially for digestion. Soluble fiber dissolve in water and turn to gel, slowing digestion and keeping you fuller for longer, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stew, make it much easier to pass through the digestive tract, therefore reducing constipation. The leaves have antibiotic and antimicrobial properties, which make them an ideal remedy against digestive disorder. Even the higher amount of B vitamin in the leaf help in improving digestion. 6. Protect the liver health. Those who have tuberculosis can benefit greatly from moringa leaves as they reduce the negative effects of anti-tuberculosis drugs. The leaf accelerates the repairs of the liver cells. The leaves have a higher concentration of pyrophenols that protect against oxidative damage to the liver and may even reduce it. They increase the protein level in the liver. The liver is the site of blood detoxification, fat metabolism, and nutrient absorption. It can function properly only if the liver enzymes are normal. Moringa leaves stabilize this liver enzyme. 7. Lower blood sugar level. If you're struggling with high blood pressure, add moringa to your diet regularly. Might make you a difference, especially when your routine includes exercise and a nutrient-rich diet. Most of the evidence supporting the use of this moringa for balancing blood sugar level has shown on animal study. This suggestion that its compound in the level may stimulate the cells of the pancreas, which are responsible for the secretion of the blood sugar level balancing hormones insulin. This suggested that moringa may be helpful in addressing some of the physiology change, especially by midlife women. 8. Improve bone health. Moringa leaves are a rich source of calcium and phosphorus. Both of these elements are needed for good bone health. Since moringa leaf has an anti-inflammatory nature, they help combat arthritis and may even heal bones that are damaged. Moringa oleifera also fights against osteoporosis and keeps bone and teeth strong. 9. Good for nervous system. Many nervous disorders have been known to show positive results against the use of moringa leaves. The support brain's health and work as neural enhancer. The higher concentration of vitamin E and C combat neural degeneration and help improve brain function. Those who have a migraine or suffer from recurrent headache must eat moringa leaf regularly. 10. Help in weight management. Moringa leaf increase fat burning in the body. They slim down the person without depleting energy reserve. This keeps the person feel buoyant and nourished. They reduce craving for food and boosting stabilizing. They also lower cholesterol. So if you want to weigh down, add moringa leaf to your diet. 11. It supports cognition and mood. The extract of plants like moringa and its effects on enhancing cognition and mood continue to study intensively. Moringa may boost cognition, giving it amino acid and vitamin profile. These feel-good hormones works in the reward center of your brain and improve learning. You will find both vitamin E and C in moringa, potent antioxidants that help reduce oxidative damage of the brain, a major played in the developing of some cognitive disorder. 12. It empowers energy. If you're looking for an energy booster, then you might consider moringa in your morning routine. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, especially iron and vitamin C and D, nutrients involved in energy-yielding metabolism. 13. It improves sleep.